So hello guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use VIDIQ for YouTube videos. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically VIDIQ, we're going to do a review, and we're also going to do a tutorial on how to use it on your YouTube videos. That is what is VIDIQ made for. So basically, in VIDIQ, you're ranking your videos on YouTube can be tricky sometimes, so it can be good with content and SEO practices, and also can be done. So if you want to know how, let me introduce you to VIDIQ. So here in VIDIQ, it's an SEO tool for YouTube. If you're a YouTube creator, VIDIQ is going to be a great help for you in your YouTube SEO game. So in the past few months, it has helped me with a lot of researching topics for my videos and improving my YouTube reach. So this is available in your app, Android and iOS devices, and also available in the desktop version. So after using this tool extensively, I'll walk you through its exciting features, its pros and cons, and how efficiently you can use it to rank your YouTube videos, and if it's worth spending your money on. So VIDIQ are one of the most popular YouTube tools I've used, and most of them today we're just gonna talk about and stick with VIDIQ. So this is a personal experience that I'm gonna teach you. So here I'll teach you, since ease of use is pretty easy, keyword research is pretty good too, pricing is pretty reasonable, support very good too, analytics I say it's one of the best. So basically, if you're looking on how to grow your YouTube channel, this tool is perfect for you. Just click the link in the description below to kickstart your journey in VIDIQ for free. So here I'll be teaching you some of the features and how to do things the right way using VIDIQ. So what is VIDIQ basically? It's a YouTube certified analytics and video marketing tool designed to help YouTube creators, and this tool scans through your channel and provides you insights on how to rank your content better. So the VIDIQ video review, for those who are interested in the review, this is gonna be the how to use guide, and you'll have to check this out. So we're gonna first talk about likes to dislikes ratio. So basically VIDIQ enhances your YouTube surfing experience by showing you the likes and dislikes ratio on every video. So basically it's gonna look like something like this. Whenever you open a YouTube video and you go to the percentage, it will show the like to dislike ratio. As you can see right there, it's above the 96% ratio right there, and you will see it refers to the number of likes and dislikes on a video. So with this feature, you can easily identify which content is merely clickbait and which video provides you value. So as you can see here, generally if the video has millions of likes but also several thousand dislikes, then it's most probably clickbait. Take for example like this types of video. As you can see right here, there's a lot of viewers. They have 89,000 views but only 26% in liking. So it's powered by VIDIQ, and as you can see, it's more likely just clickbait content. So next up we have views per hour. So what is views per hour, you may ask? Views per hour pertains to the important metric for ranking on YouTube. So it refers to the number of views a video gets per hour. So this helps us in analyzing which videos are trending basically. So as you can see here in my example, how to select a video or using views per hour. So basically, we say we wish to create a video around graphic designing. So when we enter this keyword on YouTube like graphic design, and you will get the top videos list rated for it. As you can see right here, you will see the overview, the views per hour, which is 98.8 per hour, and the VIDIQ score of 65.7 over 100, and it has 3.9 billion views. And as you can see here in the social, it has a good engagement rate with 100% YouTube views, and there's a like ratio of 99.5 and a 177.5k YouTube likes. While it has only 879 YouTube dislikes, that means this is a good trending video. So you can use it to analyze your videos in VIDIQ using their extension in the PC. Basically, by just pressing the VPH in the video in the overview tab, the views per hour is essential to analyze the potential of a topic if it can rank on YouTube. So the next thing we're going to talk about is how to copy tags from another YouTube video. So basically, relevant tags are essential for reaching the right audience on YouTube. So VidIQ comes in a super handy here. So it shows you the list of tags used in a particular video, which you can directly download or copy, paste in your videos. However, make sure to use only the relevant tags for the best results. So as you can see right here, these are the tags. So here in the arrow in the top right corner, you will see the tags there. And you will also see the remaining tags that are pretty relevant to the video, which got the channel a total of 7.8 million views and a daily view of 8,969. And as you can see right there, the data is pretty accurate. The next thing we have right here is the YouTube tag suggestion. So VidIQ basically integrates the YouTube autocomplete feature in its tag suggestion. So as you can see here in the first arrow in the top corner, you'll find it in your details and tags, and you'll see password manager. So basically, the recommended tags will be suggested by VidIQ in the lower bottom corner of your screen. As you can see that there's password manager, best password manager, and best password manager 2020. So you will also see the ratings beside it, like 62.3, 66.9, and 62.4. And as you can see, you can also have your templates, your translate, your keyword inspector, and organize tags and copy tags too. So basically, next here we have our historical analysis of a YouTube video. So the historical analysis of uses graphics to show a channel's views at the different points of time. As you can see here, it's basically just a slope, which is where you will monitor the views that you had throughout the days of the channel or the months of the channel. As you can see here, there's a date timeline in the bottom where there's also view per hour and the views on the other hand. So without any high spikes in their graphics, they generally perform well in the long run. A CSV file of this data can also be downloaded for other purposes, and this feature is good for you if you're doing digital marketing for a client. And basically, that's just the historical analysis of the YouTube video. So basically, the last things that I want to teach you guys is the key to success on YouTube basically is keyword research. So almost every successful YouTube video starts with the creator knowing what the audience is searching for the purpose of its video. So let's assume they are searching for chocolate cake. So we just go enter here chocolate cake. And there you go. So here's an overview of basically what you will get if you search chocolate cake. So here it has an overall score of 35 out of 100 with a volume of 65 out of 100 with the competition very high. So this is probably not good for small YouTube channels. So remember, when it's very high, the competition is very high, you must go search for another word that is basically good for just a low income YouTube channel, or basically if you have a good YouTube channel and you have good reach, probably you might want to risk doing this. So there's also top channels for this search item. And here in the filter of overall score, you will see that there's also chocolate cake recipe, best chocolate cake, and easy chocolate cake. So the first thing you always have to look for is search volume score. So as you can see here, I already showed you the search volume score. So the chocolate cake is a solid 100, but for now it's not anymore since it has a very high competition score. So the next thing we gotta look at, like I said, is your competition score. So basically, what does that mean? So we have a high search volume, but look at the competition, look how many other people are delivering value on this keyword, and you can see the competition score is pretty high. So that means the odds of your ranking amongst these major videos are going to be pretty slim if your only title on your YouTube video is gonna be chocolate cake. So ideally, find a keyword with a lot of search volume and a very little competition. But it's pretty rare, but when you do, it's amazing. So basically, those are just the things basically to do. Just get good views here in VidIQ using VidIQ for a YouTube channel. So guys, that's how to use your VidIQ for YouTube videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.